Once you've located your 3/4 inch discharge line from your live well, cut and install the three-way valve included in your kit so you have control over the direction of the flow of the water from your live well system. To install the actuator, you will need a 1 3/4 inch hole bit. Once your hole is drilled, connect the cable to the actuator and then run along your gunnel system along your wiring harness back to your three-way valve. Mount your actuator with the provided black powder-coated screws. Included with your kit is 2 decals for your actuator. The on and off position are in opposites. That way, once you test your system, you'll know which way is on and which way is off, and then apply your decal to the actuator.